This is gonna sound really bad. Is I'm sad that they canceled the movie's release date because it was gonna come out in July of next year.
Well, they don't even know what to do.
Yeah.
What are they gonna do? They're like scrambling. They don't
Well,
even know
what's
what
gonna
the hell to
happen
do.
is the movie will get delayed by 6 months, a year maybe, and they'll end up like trying to
Come on,
find. They'll
stop.
try to find some way around it because now that they made.
What are they gonna do though?
Well, they're gonna have the villain kill him off somehow. Is what they're gonna do.
Hey,
Take him away.
Kitty,
This is so cute.
leave her
Aw,
alone.
she's just playing.
Oh, by the way, pay attention because this is a lot of setup that we're getting for the rest of the movie.
What are you watching, Jurassic Park?
No, we're watching Superman. Essentially, General Zod is trying to stage a coup to take over the leadership of Krypton. It's basically like a military
Kitty.
zealot.
Kitty,
Lara, I have to
leave her
leave
alone.
with you as soon as I can.